Stanford Wong, Flunks Big Time by Lisa Yee. You can look at the cover and guess that Stanford is into basketball. And you can also tell by that title that Stanford flunks a class. But this story is more than Stanford flunking English and being a basketball hero. This story talks about stereotypes, particularly that all Asians are smart. Stanford isn't really that super bright. His tutor, Millicent, is bright. It talks about family. Stanford Stanford's parents, especially his dad, have super high expectations for him and his sister, and not just academically, also in behavior. There's an extended family with grandma in the picture as well. It also hits school and basketball because he does flunk English and he is the basketball hero. But it also is a romance and the rest of real life. It's all wrapped up in this one book. And the really cool thing about it is if you like Lisa Yee's Stanford Wong Flunks Big Time, you can read the companion books, Millicent Men, Girl Genius, and So Totally Emily Ebers. Both are here in the library, and you don't have to read them in any order at all.